Alright, moustashio here, saying goodbye. Are you ready? Better. No. This razor is piece of shit. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Alright guys, I'm heading to Marce's house. I want to pick him up. The scrapping artists are out tonight. No more moustashio. We'll see, I might bring him back. I know I'm getting a lot of stuff to hang out with him there, but I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Bye. Hey guys. Well, I just scored a microwave and 2 exercise bikes, but I was on my way to pick up Marce. So I'm gonna ask him if he wants it first, because it's from his area. I'm just that honest. Alright. Okay, I picked up Marce there. Marce.
Look.
Marce is sad. No more moustachio.
No more moustachio.
He's fucking bummed out.
You kept
He doesn't even look the same.
You kept threatening us about moustachio going for a while. Till next year, next November.
Yeah, he'll be back. Don't worry.
But look, you don't look the same.
I know.
I don't like it.
We're going scrapping.
I don't like it. Well, I like the scrapping part. Let's go. It's
Alright.
only 12:30, whatever. Like,
Yeah, let's do this.
let's give her.
Let's do this.
Give her.
Yeah.
Oh, it's already stripped.
Alright.
Stefan.
Yes.
Stainless steel?
That too.
Yeah. Score.
Yeah. Magnet?
You don't want to put that by your phone, eh?
No. It's gonna be good night. When you start off with stainless, it can only go downhill from here.
Well, exactly. Well, that's like $15 right there, just the sink.
You think so?
Oh yeah, easy.
Well, you would know so.
Yeah, about $15.
Perfect.
So let's go get some more.
I agree.
I miss that moustachio guy though.
I know, but whatever.
Whatever. Steph
You know,
is good though. I like Steph too.
We're having
It's Stefan. Right on. Piece number 2. We started off with a stainless steel sink.
no dishwasher.
Ah, what's wrong with
So
that?
you know what? Maybe we're going up from here.
But there's no going down.
Not with us.
Oh,
Best team ever.
we are the team. Look, he's already started with the load before picking me up. Look at this guy. Moustachio. No, he's not moustachio.
Strong like bull. Wait, is that moustachio?
Yeah, we pulled the moustachio out.
What?
I know.
What? Was that him?
That's kind of my fault, eh?
I fucking knew his spirit was gonna come out. You really gotta watch your finger.
What do you mean? What am I watching?
Like right where the light is where the camera is.
Right there?
Yeah.
Right there? Okay, let's go get some more shit. stuff. Oh,
The
no,
center
we're
button.
recording. Fucking hippies. Oh, finger.
We got ourselves a dishwasher, folks. Look at her there in her glory. Hope my gloves are on. I don't want to touch people's dirty dishes. Dirty ditches.
I know they shouldn't even take that at the scrapyard, eh? For real. But anyway, it's money. Holy crap, this guy is just like a powerhouse.
Next. All right.
Marshall Mount.
Buddy's garage door, or garage light, keeps fucking coming on. On and off. On and off.
Free junk.
Yeah. That's got to be expensive.
Hey there, people. Well, I've hijacked Gasoline's camera. So I don't know if I'm recording or not, but like, mange la merde, all of you. Gasoline? Hi, sorry, buddy. It's funny that we're getting gasoline right now, but I've hijacked Gasoline's camera.
Shit's fucked up. Yeah. Hey, Luke.
Hi, Steph.
What's going on?
It's Sunday.
It's one of those Sundays, isn't it?
Yeah. This cheers everyone up.
It's one of those Sundays for James. James doesn't have to study. James is pretty happy.
I'm very happy.
He's got a stomach full of breakfast.
Yummy.
Thanks for buying my share.
You're welcome.
All right. It's good beer. I want one too. Beer.
Tasty.
Hang on. Let's see if we can make this work.
You almost tickered her. That's one for you.
Yeah, one for me, one for the camera. Well, you guys remember that Bronco with the Dickard exhaust? All right, so we're gonna push that thing in there, and I'm gonna get started on it. Buddy's supposed to bring me some parts. I got the slave cylinder cable there, not the cable, but the tubing that has the liquids and the stuff in it. And we're gonna get her done, and we're gonna go shoot some guns. People like us shooting guns, I guess. It's fucking awesome.
Relieve stress.
Relieve stress and blow some stuff up.
We'll have a tracker, because it sucks.
Yeah.
Did I say that? Oh, you know what? We should go fucking pull some parts out of that thing and blow it up.
You tracker?
Oh, the yellow turd.
Oh. We got a special guest here today. He's looking at us through the garage door there, but we're gonna have him. We're gonna have him coming through the door there. Special guest. It's JP. Special guest JP.
There you go.
What are you doing, JP? We were planning to give you a surprise beer there, but I guess you showed up with your own.
You prepared?
What you got there? What you got there?
A beer.
How Canadian are you? You got beer?
And coffee.
Got beer? Got them. So what are we doing? Should
We're
we
working on it.
bringing that Bronco in there with the Dickard exhaust.
And Bronco in. Dickard. Good? Good.
I'm on top of the world.
No damage.
All right,
Okay.
James here is gonna shoot a 300 mag for the first time.
Only shot a 12 gauge before this, so we'll see how this goes.
Yeah, he's in the bloopers video. If you guys don't
Yeah, I
recognize
feel like a
him.
man and I have a dirty
And he's,
beard. Now I got a dirty stash. Oh, look at this. Okay, so we're gonna go for the center here, obviously.
We had a little target paint on the door.
Ow, my ears. Oh, that's sweet. I want to keep that one too.
Now it's Luke's turn. He's gonna shoot the same gun the first time.
When's the last time? Have you ever shot a gun? Okay.
Good?
Yeah.
Oh, my ears.
This ear just went off.
How do you feel, Luke?
I feel great.
Fucking right, I do too. Eh?
I feel like I fucking just shot a buffalo. And now I'm gonna go make a fucking skin and wear it. Look at my jacket. That wasn't even that bad. My ears don't even ring.
You're fucking weird.
Look at the chair. It's fucking badass. We're gonna bring that home, sell it for scrap. Yeah. It's cool because you see the spark when it hits the door.
Yeah. That's not gonna ricochet, will it?
Not this far. I can't see shit. Oh, fuck.
All I could see out of the end of the scope was just a flash of
Yeah,
light.
same.
It's awesome.